size already. Today I'm going to teach you how to make 3 things. A rocket, a Diya, and a lantern. Before we start, happy Diwali. Okay, this look. Let's start. We make like a kind of U shape. And then we make a cross. Okay, now we cut it out. This will be kind of challenging, so get your mom and dad to help you cut it. See, now we get another colored paper and draw a flame. Okay, you can draw a line across like this, and then you draw like a kind of curvy shape. And okay, and then we cut it out with scissors. Okay, now we use some glue and stick them both together, and stick them together. Okay. Now we get a glue stick and you stick them together. And now we start a Diya. Okay, now let's start making the lantern. Okay, first you got one like a horizontal shape, and now we make some lines in it from scissors, like this. Don't get it all the way to the top, because the light will get through it and that's gonna look awesome. Okay, we're done. Now we get a glue stick, or like the other glue you have, hot glue or any glue, and put them on one side the glue. And now we do something. Okay, now we put them together. Yep. See the lantern? Now we get another paper and decorate it. Okay. You can use any color paper. Okay. Now we make kind of squares, little squares. See? Okay. We make like. Small square pieces like this. Now let's make some more squares. Next, we'll glue them onto the lantern. One. See? Now let's make all. Here's the lantern. Okay, that's just the part of the lantern. Now we'll make the holder. Okay? We get this piece. We make a straight line like this. Next, we glue them each side hardly. Come on. Come on. Okay, now we put them on the lantern. Like 1, 2, 3. Hashvith it on the breeze. And ta-da, the lantern! Okay, the lantern's done. Now let's make. Okay, we got to draw a circle like this on my paper to cut it for the candle. Okay, let's cut it out. See the circle. Now we got the glue around it, circle around it, so we can put it on the lantern. Everybody, all my friends. Circle around it. Now we are done. Now we got it and stick it carefully on the thing, and it will come out like a lantern. Ta-da! The lantern. Okay, now let's make the rocket. We need a base for it. This is almost like the lantern, but we're not making holes in it like slime. We're just gluing them all together, okay? Glue very hard because we don't want anything to fall off. Okay, now you got it. We all got it, friends. Okay, now we glue both of them together. Ta-da! Now we get some color paper, different colors, and put them on the bottom, the base of the rocket. We put them like this, switching colors for every paper that we have used while we're saying, except the dark blue paper because we will use it. We thought it good. Okay, one, and we will make the rest. Okay, now let's make it right now. And no one will keep making patterns and patterns on there, and that's where we'll make the holder for it. Now we glue them all together, okay? Let's start now. Again. Now look. Thirdly blue. Got one on one, and let's make all of them on. Like this. Now we you can make. Now we got to make more, everybody, to make it look like a real rocket. Okay. Stick them all together. This is the rocket. And now let's make the holding thing for it. This one, let's use this one. Okay, this one we'll pass forward. Done. We're done making the rocket. That are all the items, all the things we make are done. Please share, subscribe, like to my channel, and press the bell icon.